Hi, friends. Welcome to Talk Through Tales. Here, you'll enjoy stories in three levels. Level 1 is very easy, with simple words and short sentences. Level 2 is a little higher. You'll learn more words and practice longer sentences. Level 3 is advanced, with rich vocabulary and expressions to make your English strong. Step by step, these stories will improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, enjoy the stories and grow your English with us every day. Level 1. Story 1. The Fox and the Grapes. One hot day, a fox was walking through a forest. He was very hungry and thirsty. As he walked, he saw a grapevine. The vine was full of big, juicy purple grapes. The grapes looked fresh and sweet. The fox's mouth watered. He wanted to eat the grapes. He jumped to reach them. But the grapes were too high. He tried again and again. He leapt higher each time, but the grapes were still out of reach. The fox felt tired. He sat under the tree for a while. He looked up at the grapes. They were shining in the sunlight. He wished he could eat them, but no matter how hard he tried, he could not get them. At last, the fox stood up. He looked at the grapes again. Then he said, "These grapes are probably sour. I don't want them." Saying this, the fox walked away slowly. The fox was actually sad. He wanted the grapes very much, but he could not admit his failure. Moral: it is easy to say bad things about what you cannot have. Level 2, Story 1. The Fox and the Grapes. One warm afternoon, a hungry fox was wandering through the forest in search of food. As he walked along, he noticed a grapevine hanging over a branch. The vine was loaded with clusters of ripe, juicy grapes. Their bright purple color made them look very tempting. The fox's mouth began to water. He thought, "These grapes will surely refresh me." He stretched himself and jumped toward them, but the grapes were far too high. He tried again, leaping with all his strength. Still, he could not reach them. Again and again, the fox made an effort. Each attempt left him more exhausted. Finally, he sank to the ground, panting heavily. He gazed up at the shining grapes with longing in his eyes. After a moment, the fox stood up. To hide his disappointment, he said aloud, "Those grapes must be sour. They are not worth eating." With a proud look, he turned away and walked off into the forest. Deep inside, the fox felt frustrated, but instead of accepting failure, he pretended he did not want the grapes. Moral: people often dislike what they cannot achieve. Level 3. Story 1. The Fox and the Grapes. On a scorching summer's day, a famished fox wandered through the woodland in search of nourishment. After some time, his eyes fell upon a luxuriant grapevine, its branches heavy with clusters of plump, glistening grapes. Their deep purple hue and glossy skin made them appear irresistibly delicious. The fox's mouth watered at the sight, and he eagerly resolved to taste them. With determination, he leapt towards the grapes, but they dangled far beyond his reach. Undeterred, he sprang again and again, each attempt more desperate than the last. Despite his repeated efforts, the tempting fruit remained unattainable. Breathless and weary, the fox finally gave up. He stared at the grapes for a moment, his eyes filled with longing and defeat. Yet, unwilling to admit his weakness, he scoffed, "Those grapes are probably sour and unfit to eat." With feigned indifference, he turned his back on the vine and trotted away with false pride. Thank you so much for joining us on Talk Through Tales. I hope you enjoyed it and also learned some new words. Keep watching Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 stories to improve step by step. Practice daily, and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories.